It is.
Merry Christmas, everybody.
Christmas for you.
All right, baby.
Pain in the butt for Josh.
Yeah, it's all good.
And a great video for me.
See that big field over there with all the trees in it?
Yes?
You guys don't cut your bullshit, you end up out there.
Ah. Good morning, YouTube. We are at Exotic Power and Performance, and the reason is because we're doing an upgrade. I don't know how that's possible considering he's already got probably the loudest 458. Yeah, we're actually upgrading the exhaust. Ah, that hurt.
So are you recording all of the nefarious activities?
Okay, it's story time, courtesy of the Loeper.
All right, so we remember last time we were here together, the last exhaust system, the IPE stainless steel exhaust, had a little hole in it.
Yeah.
Josh and his guys did a great job of patching it up, throwing it back in, and I've had it for about a month now, and it's been great. But today, now we're going to install the brand new Titanium F1 exhaust. And by the way, this is first one of one right here, one of one.
It's literally the first one.
Of the new generation. They sold this thing a couple years back, and they stopped selling them, and now they've relaunched it again, so it's the first one in the US, so I'm super pumped about that. But IPE, you guys remember, this car had about 6 years of hard driving of the old exhaust. And IPE was awesome to work with, and they actually worked with me on getting this brand new exhaust, first one in the United States, so I'm super excited about that. It's so much lighter. No way, feel that. Feel how heavy that is.
Okay, that's pretty heavy.
Feel that.
Oh my god! This weighs nothing. Wow. That's kind of surprising. That's like 2 pounds difference.
Yeah.
On a 3 pound part. See this?
Pretty sweet.
That is pretty cool looking.
It's different, right?
Yeah, I like it.
Changes it up a little.
Ooh.
So IPE hooked me up. They did a little custom noisy F1.
One of one, noisy F1. That's actually really cool.
Sweet.
Wow, that is.
Those guys really stepped up.
That is a beautiful piece.
It's so light.
Look at it. Look at it over here because the light.
And the welds are great. Look how nice the welds are.
Yeah, that's beautiful. They did a good job. How much does this thing weigh?
Nothing.
Oh my god. Dude, I would be curious how much that saves over factory.
Yeah.
Good lord. Factory exhaust is heavy. Just look at that. It's glorious. Absolutely glorious. We were going over and really looking at it. Now we kind of like pre-assembled it just to lay it out. And man, everything about the welds are just perfect. They did all these little details on it. So, you know, it's got actually right there, noisy F1, one of one. Just cool little things like that. They got these amazing blankets. These are really, really high quality heat blankets.
I really like how they put the extra gusseting in for the hangers.
Yeah.
This is the problem that we had with the old stainless system.
Right.
Is it ripped out here and broke the pipe. So before they'd had the rod just welded to the pipe. Now they've got these hats all welded all the way around, and they added this extra little dog leg here.
Yeah, look at that. You can really see the extra material overlaying the bar. So now it's not just being supported right here, it's being supported out there, which is going to distribute all that weight and support.
Another interesting detail is how much work they put into these relief cuts here for where it slips over the pipe, because now you see how they have that cut there. It allows the pipe to really open up. That was one of the hard things I had getting the original one on and off, is it, you know, heat cycles and you get all the corrosion buildup. It's been clamped down, you know, and all of that, so it gets difficult to pull them back apart because the pipes are all deformed into the clamp position. But with all these reliefs, this stuff should be able to come on and off a couple of times without any problems.
Yeah. Plus it just looks beautiful.
It's gorgeous.
Ta-da!
Mic drop.
Well, if you want this exhaust, get in touch with me, Dan at normalguysupercar.com. You know, obviously it got a little dented right there and a little dented right there, but actually that side's in pretty solid shape. Otherwise, it's yeah, full IP exhaust, cat delete, and the blue tips. Ooh, ah, ooh, ah.
That'll do, donkey.
Dude. The flames that shot out were pretty epic.
What?
Yeah.
Daniel!
It was pretty sweet. Well, at least we got the satisfaction of starting it up and getting a couple reps. I have to get home because I have a live in like an hour and a half, so I need to run. But they're gonna bolt it up, and then I'm gonna meet with Loeper tomorrow because I need to hear some proper acceleration runs. Probably need to go for a ride.
Of course.
Yeah, we need to go for a ride.
Proper test.
Yeah, we gotta break it in properly. So we'll go do that tomorrow. We'll see you tomorrow, and we'll get this thing all wrapped up, and then, yeah. Yeah.
It's 7 in the morning. The neighbors are sleeping. We gotta keep it down, man. Shh.
Hi, Loeper.
How you guys doing?
Good.
We're gonna get some flybys today.
Yes.
I got a little brandy in the rear.